Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your AnyMail Finder subscription. So this is going to be particularly useful for anyone who has signed up for AnyMail Finder, but then want to go ahead and cancel their subscription. So make sure to stick around just because this video is going to be short, sweet, to the point. And so let's first go on and get started. Now what we're going to do is hop onto our AnyMail Finder. And then next what you're going to do is click on the upper right hand side. From here, you're going to click on account settings. Now once you're on this page here, on the left hand side, you're going to see this button called billing. Let's go ahead and click on that. And then from here, you're going to see the current subscription that you're on. So currently I'm subscribed to a 50 credits per month plan, which costs around $14 per month. So in order to actually cancel your subscription, you just need to click on cancel. And then from here, just indicate the reason. I'll just say switch tools and then feedback here. So AnyMail Finder was great. And then send feedback and cancel subscription. So there you have it. I've now successfully canceled my subscription with AnyMail Finder. If you want to go ahead and reactivate it, you can click on this and you can even save your credits. But this is the best and easiest way that I know to actually go ahead and cancel or unsubscribe to AnyMail Finder. If you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.